Hey guys, Debamitra one more time. Today I am going to talk with someone who is very valuable resource of PCS Global. Her name is Supriya Das. Hi Supriya, this is Debamitra.
Hi, Debamitra.
Okay, Supriya, kindly give us self-introduction from your side.
Yeah. Actually, not Das. Actually, my title is Roy.
Okay,
Before married, my title was Das, and now it changed to Roy.
okay, it's showing in
So,
your screen that it's Dash.
okay.
Okay, you can continue.
Yeah.
Supriya
Hi,
Roy.
my name is Supriya Roy. I am from Bajbaj, and I had done diploma from BBIT in the year of 2019. And after that, I came to know about PCS Global through LinkedIn profile. And after that, I gave my interview in PCS Global, and I successfully completed my interview process, and I got an offer letter from here. And I work in PCS about 9 months. And after that, due to my medical reason, I resigned from this company. And now I am in employee of Capgemini,
Oh
and
wow,
my role is,
very good.
thank you,
Yeah.
my role is software engineer, and my
Okay.
domain
So when you get that job in Capgemini, in which year?
in 2021
In
September,
2021.
month of
Okay.
September. Yeah,
2021 September.
yeah.
Okay. So Supriya, when you have joined PCS Global, to whom you gave that interview?
Yeah, actually, I gave interview to Shukdeep. Uh, I can't remember
Sukhdeep.
her
Okay,
last
okay,
name.
Miss Sukhdeep was there.
Yeah.
HR. Okay. Or HR
And I
person.
joined PCS in 8th April. Yeah, 8th April 2020.
So what was the experience in PCS Global? How you felt when you were in PCS Global? Tell me about
Yes,
that.
actually, I joined here as a fresher, and during the training, my trainer was Anindita Mondal. Okay, and she is very helpful and kind in nature. So whenever I faced any problem, I called to her, and she always helped me to do my job.
Okay,
And
you are the student of Anindita.
yeah, Anindita.
Yeah, Anindita also given that interview, that Fireside chat. Okay, I have done it with her also. You can check in our whenever your video will be uploaded, you can check and there will be you can see Anindita also.
Okay. After that, I would love to thanks to Mr. Shonit Chaudhary, who is the CEO of the PCS Global. Actually, he is very helpful person, and he is kind in nature, and he always encouraged me, and not only me but also every employee to grow in future. And as well as I would love to thanks to PCS Global whole team, because they encourage me to grow in my future, and they help me a lot. Okay, and that's it.
Okay. So Supriya, in whenever you are in PCS Global, in how many projects you have worked in PCS Global?
uh, Only one, that is PCS Academy.in.
PCSacademy.in.
Academy.in, yeah.
Okay, okay. So tell me one thing. In which technology you have learned from PCS Global, or in which technology right now you are working?
Yeah, actually, I got trained in PCS Global in Java domain. Okay, but now I'm doing my job in mainframe domain. It's
Mainframe.
totally
Okay.
different, but I
Okay.
love Java. Yeah,
You love Java.
yeah, very much.
Okay. So when you are in PCS Global, who was your teammates? Like that you have already said, the Anindita has gave you that training, but there are
Yeah,
some teammates with you. Okay, who are
yeah.
they?
Actually, they are also fresher. Like someone have Kaushik, Spriya,
Okay,
Srinjan, and Sharath. Like Sharath was my leader,
Sharad
and
was your
my
team leader.
supervisor was Shaunak. Yeah,
Ronak
Shaunak,
was
my
supervisor.
supervisor. Yeah,
Okay, okay. So Supriya, what was the work culture in PCS Global that time when you have joined PCS Global? How
yeah,
you felt?
that is very good. Actually, PCS Global is very good for fresher. Uh, I would like to suggest for fresher go to PCS to learn something. and they help you to learn many more technologies. So I always appreciate to fresher to join as a fresher in PCS Global because it's very good.
So what you want to say that in PCS Global, we are providing the proper training for the freshers that
Yeah,
can help them to grow,
to grow. Yeah.
right? So when you were in PCS Global, tell me about the work culture. How when you started working and what was the hours of working? Okay, working hours about that. Tell me about that.
Yeah, actually, working hour was 8 hour, and that is also very good because we can balance my personal life as well as working life. Yeah, and it's very necessary to us. And also, my teammate was good, and working culture is actually seniors help us to a lot. Okay, whenever I faced any problem, I just reach to them and they give some suggestion to do like that or like those. So it's very good.
This is the culture of PCS Global. We
Yeah, yeah,
always try to help each other, right?
yeah, yeah.
So when you have joined PCS Global, there you have said that you have taken that training from Anindita, and after that you have done one project. There are so many candidates who have joined with you, and now do you have any idea that those candidates who was your teammate right now they are working in another MNCs or any other
Yeah.
places? Have you
Yeah, I
connected
know
with them?
about two. I know about two guys. Actually, one of them are Spriya Sharma. She also working in Capgemini, and
Okay. Wow.
one of are working in MNCs. But currently, he is not in Kolkata. He is in Bangalore. His name is Kaushik.
Kaushik is
Yeah,
resided in Bangalore right now.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay. So, Supriya, what I have faced because as a brand ambassador of PCS Global, when I am going to take the interview and whenever I am talking with the associates of PCS Global, all of them are saying the one thing that this is very good platform for freshers, right? So
Yeah,
from
yeah.
you guys, I came to know about it more confidently because I am very new in PCS Global, so I got that idea from you only. So, what you want to tell about this, about our new generation, youth generation? Because I have seen that they are looking for jobs and they are wasting their times. They are roaming around here and there by doing something that is not going to help them. So, from your side, what you want to say? What kind of message you want to give them?
I just want to say them that don't go here and there. Join PCS Global as a trainee, and you will get a chance to learn many more new technologies. That is very good for your career. That's
Yeah.
it.
So you want to say that no need to roam here and there by
Yeah,
doing something that to mess up your lives. That is not needed. If you want
yeah,
to be a proper professional person, you need to join PCS Global. And whatever PCS Global is doing, they are providing the training part. We are providing the training part, and we are giving that scope also to be a precise candidate. To be
yeah,
a
yeah,
you have joined as trainee software developer, right?
yeah, yeah. Training
So
software developer. After that, my designation was changed to junior software developer.
okay, junior software developer. So tell me one thing, Shupriya, whatever you have learned from PCS Global, is that helped you to grow in another company?
Yes,
Is it
yes,
helpful?
yes. I
What kind
agree.
of help, if you can describe?
Because during the interview in Capgemini, I gave my interview in Java domain only, and it's very much helpful because I already know Java from and I learned it from PCS, so it was helpful.
Okay, when you attended the interview, they have asked about Java only,
Java,
and
yeah, Java,
as you have the knowledge of Java, it helped you to grow. It has
yeah,
helped you
yeah,
very much. Okay, so. What I have seen that so many candidates came PCS Global and they are giving interview, they got selected, they are working with us also, but sometimes they don't want to learn. In that part, what you want to say? Because being a ex associate of PCS Global, right now we are working in a MNC, and that is very uh, proud feeling for us also, because we can say that Shupria is from PCS Global. After that, he is now working in an MNC. So from whatever you have learned in your life, kindly share with them. because the working process is very much important. Because if you are an employee, if in any company, maybe it's not PCS Global, maybe you are working in Capgemini, that doesn't matter. But what is the thing they need to follow? What is the way that they need to work properly? So whatever your experience, whatever you want to tell them.
Yeah, actually, I want to say like if you want to grow in your future in IT domain, then you must learn. And in IT, we have to learn in my whole career, I think, because now only I am coursing some of my course is going on like mainframe. I know, okay, and my domain is mainframe, but I'm doing some of courses like React, DB2 database. Okay, so I would suggest that you have to learn like many more
That means
if
learning
you
is the
want to grow
one
in
and only
IT.
way to grow. There is no shortcut.
Yeah, yeah.
You
If you
can't take
want to
any
grow in
shortcut.
IT, then you have to learn.
You have to learn. And
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
not about IT profession only. If any candidate, whenever they are going to join any organization, at first they need to follow the organizational behavior,
yeah,
organizational
yeah.
rule. Because if you're not going to follow it, you can't grow. Okay, so in that part, PCS Global is one of the platform where you can take that time and you can think, and you, if we are giving that opportunity to you to be a proper market ready person. So in but in other companies, you don't even get the chance to prove yourself if you
To
are not
prove yourself.
properly
Yeah,
ready.
yeah,
So
yeah,
PCS Global is this like the support system for each and every candidate who has that lackings, that I don't know how to work in an work with a team. I don't know what is the organizational behavior. I don't know how to follow the organizational decorum. And the most important thing is the structure, the work process, the flow of work that we need to understand. Most I have seen most of the candidates, they don't even know what is called workflow. Okay,
yeah. Right.
so in PCS Global, we are giving that knowledge also. So is that any kind of, you get any kind of help from here about those things?
Yes, I get. I got many. I got to know many of the things. Like I was fresher, so I don't had any experience how to work with team or how to work in a project. So I learned everything from PCS only.
Okay, that hierarchy, what, how the hierarchy is maintained, and how you need to respect your seniors, and all those things you have learned from PCS
Yeah,
Global,
PCS.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah. So these are the things. Because uh, each and every company has their own way of work, own way of follow process, flow. So you need to follow that, and you need to make yourself accustomed with that process. Being a fresher, being a part of any organization, at first you need to follow that. So
follow
PCS
that. Yeah,
Global, and we are doing here, we are seated over here, and we are helping you to do it. Because we know, being a fresher, it's not very easy to understand the process. And
yeah,
when
you're right.
one candidate is going to join any other company from after leaving PCS Global, that candidate is ready candidate, because he has all those knowledge. And after having that knowledge, they're going to give join any other company. And the interview session, whatever you have said, that you have that knowledge of Java, because you have learned Java in PCS Global. So many
Yeah,
candidates to whom I have talked, they have already told me that, ma'am, whenever we go to attend any interview, at first I have given 5 interviews before joining PCS Global. I have given 20 interviews before joining PCS Global. But whenever within 2 to 3 months, when we have started in PCS Global, that time we got understand that how to give interview, how to face the questions, how to
yeah,
be uh, presentable in HR round, how to shoot the questions that is coming. So these are the things you need to understand. And in PCS Global, Supriya is saying that same thing whatever I am saying, that learning is the one and only way to grow. There is no shortcut, and you don't have any shortcut to grow without learning, right?
yeah, yeah.
So Supriya, it's very nice to talk with you. Okay, so
Thank you.
you are located in Boj, right?
Yeah,
So any other day you can visit in our office. Our office is located in the Primark Salt Lake Sector 5. I think you know.
yeah. I know, I know.
Okay, so I think you have worked in work from home mode, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You have not
Work from
visited
home
yet in
only.
our office.
Yes, yes. No, I haven't visited your office.
Yeah, whenever you get time, you can visit in our office. Okay, we are located in Salt Lake Sector 5. It's exactly behind of Rangde Basanti Dhaba. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
So in other time, any other time, I'm going to connect with you. Okay. So it
Yeah,
was a very nice to talk with you. Okay. It's a very nice experience for me. I think it's for you also. So
yeah,
bye for now. Okay. We will connect
yeah.
with
Bye.
any other time. So bye.
Yeah, bye. Bye. Bye.